In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate ROAS in Google Looker Studio. ROAS, or return on ad spend, tells you how much revenue you generate for every dollar of advertising. It's a simple ratio, but getting it set up correctly in Looker Studio makes it easy to monitor performance across campaigns, dates, and channels. Start by opening your Looker Studio report so you're looking at the dashboard where you want this metric to live. Before creating anything new, confirm that your data source already includes the two essentials, revenue and ad spend. Field names can vary by connector, so you might see total revenue, purchase revenue, or transactions revenue, and for spend, you might see cost or ad spend. What matters is that you have one field representing revenue and one representing the amount you paid for ads, and that both are numeric. If your report blends multiple sources, make sure these fields are aligned by the same date and dimension granularity so the math stays accurate. With that verified, create a calculated metric. In the data panel, choose your connected data source and click Add a Field. This opens the formula editor where you define the logic for your new metric. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. ROAS is perfect and universally understood. Now enter the formula. The core calculation is revenue divided by ad spend, so type revenue/ad spend using the exact field names from your data source. If your field names differ, replace them accordingly. For cleaner results, especially if you sometimes have zero spend days, you can use a safe version that avoids division errors, such as if ad spend equals 0, 0, revenue, ad spend. This keeps your report from showing errors when there was no spend. After you enter the formula, save the field. By default, ROAS will show as a decimal. You can adjust the metric's type or formatting so it displays in the way your team prefers. Many marketers keep it as a ratio, like 4.2, meaning $4.20 returned for every $1 spent. Others format it as a percent, which would display as 420%. Either is fine, just be consistent. That's it. You've created a ROAS metric you can reuse across your report. Apply the same filters and date ranges to revenue and ad spend so your comparisons stay fair, and spot check a few rows to confirm the numbers make sense. With ROAS in place, you'll have a clear, quick way to evaluate the effectiveness of your ad investments right inside Looker Studio.